Hey Alex, hope you're doing well. Hope everything's going well. So it looks like it's just going to be you and me for the rest of this course. I'm really excited so I can help you get to the end. Just to let you know, it's just a little heads up of what you got left coming up. I posted your discussion post, also added one for you as well, so you can post a reply. Just letting you know you have your week 8 assignments coming up. But other than that, I just want to make this simple and easy. Got your discussion reply post due on Saturday, and then also your remember it's week 8, so it's the first of your rig and it's the first of it's the finished textures, and that's really it. So, and judging from taking a look at the discussions and from your week 7, I think your textures will be fine. So I'm not too worried about that. Other than that, if you need anything, just give me a holler. You're free as always. And great work. Keep up the great work. Dinosaurs really coming around well. So I'm really excited. Other than that, have fun. Have a great weekend. Keep an eye out for my announcements for next week. That's pretty much it. Be safe.